So they will just
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Juliet Uju. How are you guys doing today? It's a very beautiful and happy day today because finally we now have a new machine, a sewing machine. You know, the last time I requested for sewing machine, but now I have it. Okay, so let's see the machine. You might have already seen it in my previous video when I was buying it, but we have to unbox it and launch it today. Today is launching day, so today I'll get to pedal the machine by myself. That day I couldn't pedal it. I don't know whether I was shy or I was doing so. I don't know what was happening. If I want to pedal the machine, it doesn't allow me. So but today I'm going to pedal the machine so you guys will see. So I think let us bring it at the center first before we can go keep it where it should be. So guys, this is our sewing machine, okay, and we are so happy, we are so excited. Thank you so much, ma, for this machine. I really appreciate. You have done so well. You have done so much for me. Seriously, I appreciate this machine. Okay, I have to bring it out. So
a few minutes later.
So guys, while unboxing the machine, my neighbors on the gen because we have been lacking water for some days now. So because of low current and so on. So my neighbors on the gen side said to fill this my storage since I bought it. Thank God that I bought it yesterday. We don't understand what NEPA people are doing, so they will just be off, on and offing light since yesterday night, and this morning they did not even bring light at all. That was what got me angry to buy the butter. That was what made me to buy this. Okay, this butter. So I want to wash it now. These are the things for sewing that I got. So I want to wash the butter now so that I can just fill it with water from the kitchen here. I feel like even putting the water at the back at the back of the bucket. You see, it's too full, so that I don't have to lack water. These people, they want to wicked us. They used to take their time and wicked us very well.
The next day.
Good morning guys. So let us complete the video we have been doing, that we have started, that is unboxing this machine. Thank you so much, ma, for this machine. I really appreciate this machine. God bless you for me. God reward you. God bless your family. God bless everybody around you for your sake. Thank you so much, ma. I really appreciate this machine. It means a lot to me. For me to make that request, it meant a lot to me. Thank you so much for granting the request. God bless you, ma. So let's go ahead and unbox. Okay, this is how. The guy did it like this. I don't even know where to start. It's very heavy. I don't know how to pull it. The guy just faced it upside down like this. But you know, there is something here. So because of this point here, this it looks like nail here. That is why I can't face it like that. One more. Wow. Okay, maybe I'll just tear the carton. Let me just tear the carton. I don't know that I can't even unbox something again. Now we are talking. So guys, this is our machine. Let's set it the way, I know you guys have already seen it. Then let's set it the way the guy taught us to set it. Okay. This is the masset. Wow. So certain things are here, like screwdriver, small and big screwdriver, shuttle, okay, for this place. Okay, about how many shuttles? Wow, it came with a lot of things. Can you guys see? Even tape. Wow. This is good. It came with a lot of things though, that I never expected. I think this one is what? Is it machine oil or what? I don't know. But anyway, thank God for everything. Oh. Even this shuttle now, I had to buy. I went to and bought about 3 shuttle. Abi? I didn't know that it even came with shuttle, its own shuttle. Abi, reel. Sorry, not shuttle, reel. So this is the manual. Guys, look at it. It is so beautiful. So time to set it the way we were taught. So I just have to open this. Exactly. This one's a little more.
Still as a breeze, the river flowing deep. Don't wanna leave the air you breathe. Living me dreams when I think of you and me. Don't wanna leave the world you see, and I will hold you down if love is still alive. It's unforgiving to
It's one balance.
the tide has turned around. Just listen to the sound. Two hearts beating time.
So I finished setting it. I think so. I finished setting it. Let me just try it. Let me try it, because I think I'm true with this. So guys, it's better I show you guys once and for all the things I bought. Look at everything. I had to go and buy these things. These things are for sewing. Then I bought hanger for my clothes. Then these are some of the necessary things that I had to buy, that I need. This one is for my it's for my kitchen. It's for putting my plates, but I may just use it to be putting these sewing things, so that they will be organized in one place. So this is ruler. See the things that I need. Scissors. I had to buy zip. These are trouser zips. This is not normal zip for shirt or for gown. Button, all this. I have to get these things. So pressing button. So I just have to pack them here. See. Then I had to buy machine oil in case of necessity. Okay. This is shock. So guys, that is off. So everything about the machine, I'll just keep them here, keeping them here in one place. Thank God I bought this basket set. So this basket is going to be useful. I wanted to use it and be packing plates, but these things are too much. So let them be here and be organized in one place. Okay, so this is it. So let me pedal the machine for you guys to see. I see the reelers that I bought. Let me pedal the machine for you guys to see. So I have to do thread. I think I rather use the black. Let me better use the black. Yeah. Don't have time, guys. I'm preparing for work, so I'm going to just keep them like this. So I want us to finish with this machine before I go to work. That is what. So I have to change the position like this. That other side is dark. That other position that I was dark. So let me change the position. Let us continue. Just for this purpose. So guys, I tried to use the machine, but I found out that this rope is hooking because the stapler that he used to hold the two ends of the rope together is hooking on the machine, so it makes it difficult for the machine to move freely. So I thought of what to do. I didn't know what to do, so I had to go and buy another rope, the type that we use in our shop that my boss used to use. So I bought that one and used it to hold it, and the machine was now working.
3 weeks later.
Like I told you guys that you guys will get to see some of the practices that I made. So this is the first one. I learned this today, so I decided to do it after eating my food. I must eat before hunger finish me. So guys, after eating, I decided to try it out, and I said that tomorrow morning I must wear this dress. So I decided to try out the dress, and to my greatest surprise, I cut it, and the cutting, though it was not as perfect as I wanted, but it was okay.
The next day.
Hello guys, this is a dress that I made for myself yesterday. Let me remove this back so you guys can see it very well. This is my first time of sewing female cloth, female gown. Can you see? Okay, you guys are not seeing it very well. Let me just show you. It's short, so you guys take a look. It's because it's short. That is why I had to use this skirt. That is why I had to use this skirt to wear it. Look at it. Look at it. How do you guys see it? Is it beautiful? Is it fine? Oh, I'm just loving it. I said I was going today to work, so I'm ready to go. I've not made my hair, so I'm gonna carry it like this. That's why I have to use this and hold it. Thank God there is red